One of the main reasons why Macs exceed Windows in function and flow is their superior security and privacy features. Macs are designed to protect your data and identity from hackers and malware, using advanced technologies that work together at the hardware and software levels. In this section, we will explore some of these features and how they make Macs more secure than Windows PCs. First, let's talk about the hardware security of Macs. Macs with Apple Silicon, such as the M1 chip, have a built-in secure enclave that encrypts your data and prevents unauthorized access. The secure enclave also enables secure boot, which verifies that the operating system software loaded on your Mac at startup is authorized by Apple. This means that your Mac will not run any malicious code that could compromise your system or your files. Macs with Intel processors also have hardware security features, such as the T2 security chip, which provides encryption and secure boot as well. The T2 security chip also protects your Touch ID data, microphone input, and FaceTime camera from hackers. Second, let's talk about the software security of Macs. macOS has several built-in security features that protect you from malware and online threats. These include a firewall that blocks unwanted network connections and prevents unauthorized access to your Mac. XProtect, a basic antivirus system that detects and blocks known malware from running on your Mac. Gatekeeper, a feature that checks the source and integrity of apps downloaded from the internet or the Mac App Store before you run them for the first time. Gatekeeper also lets you control which apps can access your files, camera, microphone, keyboard, and screen. FileVault 2, a feature that encrypts your entire drive on your Mac using XTSAS 128 encryption. FileVault 2 makes it impossible for anyone to access your data without your password or recovery key. System Integrity Protection (SIP), a feature that prevents processes with root permission from modifying critical system files or kernel extensions. SIP makes it harder for malware to do harm or gain persistence on your Mac. Data Protection, a feature that allows third-party app developers to use file-level encryption to better protect sensitive data without impacting system performance. Third, let's talk about the privacy features of Macs. macOS gives you control over what data apps can access and how they can use it. These include a password manager called iCloud Keychain that securely stores and autofills your passwords across your devices. iCloud Keychain also generates strong and unique passwords for each account and website you use. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, a feature that adds an extra layer of security to your Apple ID by requiring a verification code from a trusted device or phone number when you sign in. Find My, a feature that helps you locate your lost or stolen Mac using its location data or by playing a sound. Find My also lets you remotely lock or erase your Mac if it falls into the wrong hands. Privacy Report, a feature that shows you how websites track you across the web and how Safari blocks them from doing so. Safari also prevents cross-site tracking, fingerprinting, and malicious scripts from compromising your privacy or security. App Privacy Report, a feature that shows you how apps use your data and what third-party domains they contact in the background. You can also change app permissions at any time in System Preferences. As you can see, Macs have better security and privacy features than Windows PCs that protect your data and identity from hackers and malware. These features are built into the hardware and software of Macs, making them more reliable and easy to use. With Macs, you can enjoy function and flow without compromising security and privacy. One of the main advantages of Macs over Windows PCs is their seamless integration with other Apple devices and services that offer convenience and functionality. In this section, we will explore some of the features that make Macs stand out in this regard. First, let's talk about continuity. Continuity is a set of features that allow you to move seamlessly between your Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. For example, you can use AirDrop to wirelessly send files to a nearby device, or use AirPlay to share your screen or audio with your Mac. You can also use Handoff to start work on one device and pick up where you left off on another device, or use Universal Clipboard to copy and paste content across devices. You can even use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac, or use your iPad as a second display or a drawing tablet with Sidecar. Another feature that enhances the integration of Macs with Apple devices and services is Apple Pay. Apple Pay is a secure and convenient way to shop online on your Mac and complete your purchase using your iPhone or Apple Watch. You don't need to enter your card details or passwords, just use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm your payment. You can also use Apple Pay to send and receive money with friends and family through Messages or Siri. A third feature that makes Macs more functional and convenient is their compatibility with Microsoft Active Directory. Active Directory is a service that manages user accounts and permissions in a Windows network. By integrating your Mac with Active Directory, you can access basic user account information, authenticate and authorize with the same credentials, and comply with the domain password policies. You can also use certificates from Active Directory certificate services to secure your communications and transactions. These are just some of the examples of how Macs have a seamless integration with other Apple devices and services that offer convenience and functionality. By choosing a Mac over a Windows PC, you can enjoy a more consistent, productive, and enjoyable experience across all your devices.